guys, today we'll learn HTML. So most of you guys were just commenting that what's HTML. Basically HTML is just a thing that just brings on text to the document like this. This is a blank space and you don't want blank spaces, so we have to put in there an HTML tags or something is called in command to the computer that would just tell the computer what to do and what to not. So let's start. First, I will just type in a doctype tag. The caps on the HTML tag. Oh, what? Why the doctype tags? Maybe just it's not a doctype tag. Now an HTML tags. Because now HTML would just define that this is HTML5, or you can just type in anything. Now, if you don't type in the doctype, it's not going to recognize. Look at this. What? Basically, just going to delete this. Now, there are two portions of the thing, which is the head and the body. So, the head is just this, what I'm looking at. Oh man, get out there. Maybe just close this list up. Or just try head. Now head is where the title keeps. So the title is basically a tag that just displayed on this. This is the title of this page. Title. Now I actually don't do web designing a lot much because I'm always bored of web designing. So as far as title, we just need to put any title, which is just HTML tutorial. Now we just are meant to just type in somebody. Then closing tag, because now in which part we are coding in is all the things. This body tag over here. Look at this. This is the body, which is the most used thing. Now the head is just this. But as far as this, I don't need to. Now I'm just going to type the what is this function? Code and function. Why is it just code? What? Okay. Var? What's var? Oh, maybe just not that. Var is JS. I don't need to. The AC sound. Now var tags. This variable that's set to go to JS, and we are not studying JS in this one. So now as far as this, I'm not just going to go anything like so fast and then typing anything, but I'll just tell you guys that there are some headers. Now the H1 is the biggest, H2 is small, S3 is smaller, S4 is smaller, S5 is smaller, and S6 is smallest, sorry. So just type in heading 1, same thing out there. Copy the same thing with using command C and pasting it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh wait, that's a lot. Okay, so it's 2, it's 3, this one's 4, this one's 5, and this one's 6, and then this one's, that should be my 2. It's 2, 3, H4, H5, H6. The same thing on the other sides, which is just 2, and then delete 3, delete 4, delete 5, and delete 6. There you go. Now, another thing which is I would explain is just paragraphs. So just put a p tag in there. In there, and what I'm going to do is type in dummy text with just lorem ipsum lorem on top. Yeah, this is too wide. So for that, I'll just go here, just option Z. There you go. This is just Latin text that is dummy. So same thing. We need 2 paragraphs. And then type in some more ipsum. The main thing that I need to type in lorem once again. Lorem, there you go, enough, big. Comma and then lorem again. There you go. Now there are a couple of things to explain between these. Now a tag called BR has no ending tags. That's magic. Now ending tags are basically these slashes that come. So the slashes are just to close the tag in there. So now another tag which is just strong. It makes text bold instead of the things that are just typing in B tags and then all of that stuff. Maybe I should type here. This is strong or bold text. There you go, some text. This is strong or bold text. Instead of this, I would just replace it with this one. There you go. This is bold text. This is strong or bold text. That would be a little bit slighter. Now the second thing that I want to explain is just emphasize. Emphasize just makes the text in italic. So that oh man, okay, italic that you can just see the styles in it. So I'm just going to type in EM, the same thing. And this is stylish text. Stylish. As far as that, and just type in italic text. This is not stylish because that's the wrong word for it. His index is just, oh my god, I don't want it to be like that. Now, second thing I'm here going to explain you is just an A tag. Now, A tags are tags that tell the link to go anywhere. So we're going to type in an A. We're standing for that. And then what I'm going to do is to copy. Oh wait, I already have my website, so I'm just going to go to wix.com and then enter. That goes there. As far as this is this. Now Marvel. I gotta go here. Now what I'm going to do, copy this link right there. What's going to do? Okay, there you go. Copy and cut it. at this. Ha ha ha. Let's just try that. Maybe just, oh, what? At this link, there you go. Now I'm just going to quit this application with Command Q, go out with the code, and then type in the, now href equals to these, and then you can just paste in the link, get out of here, and then /a. Close it up. Oh man. There you go. And then you need this for that. Now what I'm going to do is to type in my website. There you go. Now we're all done with links and that things. Now we will just try to save it with Command S. Just do that. Get out of here, open up this. Now what happens? Look at this, my website. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is bold. And look at this. This is italic text. There you go. Heading 2 isn't bold because of heading 2 is just so small to bold. I'm gonna see something in there. H12, look at this thing. This is wrong. This should not be H12. Go here, then click on that reload button. Look at this. This becomes good. Now as far as this, I type in H12, that would be so hard. Now look at this. What we put in the title tag just went out of here. Even the name of the file is tutorial.html. The title is HTML tutorial. And that's a little bit helpful. So let's move on to our allies and URLs. So what to say? Okay. As far as this, we want to put an BR tag again, which is just standing for break line. Now there's something else, but I won't just explain it in this one. Type in an OL, ordered, no, unordered, UL. ULs, and then you go down, and you put your LIs. List item, so list item 1. Gotta grab our LIs real quick, and then paste them in 6 times. There you go. Now make this 2. It's not like this, and you can just change this to L2. That's a little bit fishy because you only need to change these numbers. And if you're worried about this code I'm typing too fast, don't worry about it. You would reach it because I have given the link in the description below. Not the link, but I would just give in the code real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Now another thing which is an OL. I was just sitting on the chair and then I pulled it. It's so annoying. Do the same thing using Command V really quick. 3 times. 4 times. Oh yeah. Not Command space. 5 times. 6 times. There you go. Maybe I should just delete this thing. Should grab this real quick because Command save. Command save. Come out of here and then paste it. We are back at there. Maybe it just shut down. Let's just to see everything. Maybe this is list items. Okay, we need to get out these and then explain the new thing, which is always a line. Now, lines are just be asked first. Now, HR's horizontal rule that would make a line. There you go. Go down there. Now, second thing is forms. So I don't know what to do because I'll just go to Google Chrome real quick, grab in a form. I really don't know the code of forms. HTML form code. There you go. HTML forms. Oh, there you go. Join day. That's a little bit helpful. Try it yourself. Page. Maybe I should just go with the form date. Okay, got it. Come on, date. Come on, C. Close. I'm not cheating right now. I just told the truth that I was not knowing that. There you go. Should not just remove these. Wait. We have it real quick. BR tags. Maybe just these BR tags. Maybe I should put some BR tags there too. I don't want it to be like so sleepy. Copy that using Command C and then paste it. ID, value, L name, F name, L name, and then change this to ID, email. Now that's kind of hacking because value do name, email. Wait a sec. This is not it. Though. Value is my channel's name, which is Shoya V's Coding World. Let's say W. Now my this name is Shoya V's. No. As far as this, I don't need this. And I don't need this to happen real quick. This submitted to action page underscore page or PSP. No. Wait. Action underscore page or PSP. No, we need to just go to .html and then make this to action page.html. Wait a sec. What did that say? Is it important or something else? HTML form code. There you go. Can you do something else? You can submit it. Oh, what? Look at this. What the heck? The server has processed the input and returned this. Wow. Are you kidding me? Action underscore by. This is really not important. It's maybe not important because same thing. We need to change this to HTML.html. Wait a second. Servers of PHP. Oh, there you go. Email value. Just don't need these. You could just do anything. They don't need these values right there. The value from first should be just such a URL SINGH back in there, and then the value is just, I won't show you my email, but I just happened pretty email. Yeah. Web mail. The mail dot SHRU or what? Show your address. No, it's not webmail. It's not webmail. It's something else. It's just shoreview@gmail.com. Gmail.com. It's not webmail because I don't keep my webmail emails right now. So go down there and then page the same thing, which is not password. Value must be like something called. The value should be just not password. What's it? It's just password space team underscore war. Password and then some asterisks. Where are these asterisks? They're just there. This is the wrong thing that I just wrote in there. So I have to just perform these. What does these? It's actually a cool extension called enable password. Enable pass. Look at these things. These all can just get in your password. I just type in something that's like ADFDGHJ. There you go. That's a little bit. And I have one of these installed. But look at these. These are red dots. Oh man. No. There you go. My password, and there is some asterisks. But I don't need these things to happen. Now, as far as this, I have done this. Now, let's test our web page out. Now, in fact of this, I will just try to reload it. And then what it does is just makes a, there you go. Why is that happening right on there? Wait, there, just put some things. Hey! It's not to be fair. There you go. Password. Wait, last name? Then that's submit? That's so annoying. Maybe I have done it wrong. Because never know. Is there something on there? Now the label's not there, and then we don't need this to be there. That's just important. There's no label. That's cheating. I would just copy my password for another thing was just not getting hacked. So value, put it up and put a name. What's a name? This meant to be the password. ID password value, and then I'm just going to put in my password, put it up real quick with this, go here and then close it up. Command plus click. Now more than one, this is not a link, so if we click on it and then command click, it's not going to do anything. As far as this, I don't need these things, which are just so annoying. Maybe there's something, value something. The two of them, this is cheating. As far as this, I'm just going to go to home again, then load it up again. Maybe, why is this submit button right on the top? HTML forms, don't need to do that. Don't need this. I'm just removing unwanted actions, free up my code space. And there you go. Wait a second. Look at this. This is so annoying. This is just annoyed. I'm just going to save it and then load it back again. Now it's in one place, but I need to see what's happening. Are there two buttons to submit? Yes, they are. This is just so unwanted. I don't need this. Last name. BR. And there you go, and save it real quick and then reload it. There you go. Wait a second. Is it like something called label? Input type. Wait. This is not. It's annoying. This Siri comes out again and again. Copy this up and then there, paste. Typed ID, email, name, password. Password. Now the value is wrong. Now, as far as this, I'm just going to paste it. No! I lost master with password. I'll just type in master with password again. No, J. There you go. There you go. And then you save it. Go here. The phone beat. Maybe its last name and the name is password. Wait a second. There's something actually not close. There you go. And you save it. It's just struggling around this code. And then where's the submit button? Oh man. Just forgot the submit button. Should just see the submit button code out from there. W3 schools form section page. And this. Look at this. PHP. Oh well. Start running PHP now. I know these. What? This is so annoying. PHP code goes here. What? PHP code goes here. PHP. What? I don't need PHP now. Now to this, I will just go to HTML form code, which is just right there. So there, and then that's the submit thing. Go back in there. Wait. I'm just typing or what? G HTML form code. Now I should just go down there. Right, so now there is the submit button code, which I need to copy this code, and then so now you got space. And there you go. That's why I read it down. That was quick. There you go. That's the submit button. Now the file is not found because, oh, look at this. This is carrying it all over to that page. So that was a really quick thing. Now I'm going to build my second page, but at first I need a new folder called HTML project. HTML project. Now HTML project tutorial. Project tutorial. That's a little bit funny. Yeah. This makes a little bit beeping sound. Tutorial.html. Maybe I should just fire up the terminal real quick. CD space, and then plug in the file. Touch html.html. There you go. Quick Mac. Wait, why is tutorial? What the heck? Deleted? Oh no. Is it deleted? Am I just coding in there? Oh man. This can't be deleted. Oh. What? And it is so annoying. We don't need that code now. as far as this, I'm just going to close this editor because it's a little bit, I want it a little bit less, so I'm just going to pause the recording for a little bit. And I should just take some rest, like sitting over here. Oh my god. Yay, there you go. There you go. Let's still get up and then now let's go. Now as far as this, I would just go back to a global claim and then type in HTML form code. Maybe you would just type in an H1 row HTML types. This is just, you can't just do anything with this HTML thing. This is a really good headache to me. Always just doc type. Doc type space HTML, and then you go there. And then you put in head. And then you put your title, HTML, your hacked data. You and your credit card. That would be evil. Right, good, just hacked. This is not the way spelling of hacked. There you go. Now, why does she just changing its mode? What's tutorial.html not going? What? What is this doing with the stuff? No. Save. So now what's going to ask me is just do this. Your hack data. And what you have here is the same thing. That's just shouting. So annoying. Just type it in the body tag. Body tag, and then go in there, and then type in H1, and then what is just JH1? It should be H1. Real quick. No, you did not it. I would just eat up the space that I have. Just your what is this echo over here? There you go. Come on, this. There. Now let's use this page. Okay. There you go. Submit your hack data. Oh man. Your hack data. Wait a second. You get this? You submit it, and then what happens is the text inside it actually comes out with this. There's not a Thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Keep coding.